Got your eye on the skies.
We do, and things are quieting down, which is really
That's
nice.
good.
We did dodge a bullet today. Hey, and anytime we can do that,
Right.
I'm okay.
That's for sure.
Most of those storms stayed strong to the south. In fact, let me start you out with the radar and show you right now. We have rain out. We don't have much in the way of lightning. Most of that has moved offshore, and you can see now that there's still a lot of those lightning emblems on this out over the open water. That's what you're seeing there. But we look here into South Jersey and Delaware. Sure, we have some areas with some heavy rain in spots, but we're not seeing a lot of the lightning like we're still seeing into southern parts of Delaware. Look, working on over to places like Rehoboth Beach, down towards the eastern shore of Virginia, back into southern Maryland over the Chesapeake. This is where those strong storms were today. It's where they continue to be right now, and it's where that risk for strong to severe storms remains, just evident by the colors, the greens and the yellows here. For us, in this lighter shade, we are in the non-severe risk, meaning a rumble of thunder still possible as we go into the evening tonight, and that's basically south of Philadelphia, but we are not expecting severe weather, so you can rest easy. That's going to be, it's just going to be a quiet night, especially after we get past midnight and a lot of these storms kick on out of here. Then tomorrow, we're going to see a little bit of sunshine here and there, maybe like mid to late morning, and then for the most part, the clouds fill in. It's a mostly cloudy sky, if not a just straight overcast sky tomorrow. And the biggest thing that you're going to notice is that it will be noticeably cooler than today. I mean, way cooler than today, to the tune of 20 to 25 degrees. And I got to show you these numbers. We hardly ever look back. We always look forward, unless there's something of significance. And this is it. 83 today in Philadelphia. Not a record. The record's 87, but it is our first 80-degree day of the year. We had our first 70-degree day this past Saturday, then quickly followed up by our first 83-degree day or 80-plus day. Look at 85 in Dover. Down in Georgetown in Sussex County, 89 today in Delaware. That broke the record of 88. Down the shore, 82 Wildwood and 87 for Atlantic City. But now, those temperatures are back down into the 50s and 60s, ultimately dropping on down into the upper 40s around the area. So we'll say 49 for the forecast low, out the door early tomorrow morning, showers and storms through about midnight, and then those will start to taper off pretty mild. That 49-degree temperature by itself is mild, but it's a far cry from the 80s that we had today, and those winds will be 10 to 15 miles per hour. Then tomorrow, we're not going to move much. We're going to go into the upper 50s to about 60 degrees for your day. So you're heading on out to see that game, the opener. We're going to go 50s for the most part throughout the entire game, a northwest wind, and that northwest wind is going to be 10 to 15. You combine that with the cloud cover, it will be chilly. So you want your sweatshirt, your light jacket, that type of thing. Then your Easter weekend, relatively cool, starting out in the 30s to about 40, but both days look dry, mid to upper 50s. And then as we get into next week, boy, if this holds, how about that? This might be the nicest all-in 7-day forecast I've had for you all year long, because, yeah, we got a few cool days here, but look at this, 71, 76, 78, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday of next week, and that does not, at this point, have any rainfall associated with it as well. So once again, if you're going on out tomorrow, you're heading on out down to the ball game, make sure that you layer up for that or at least have that sweatshirt. Otherwise, all looking good. Guys, we'll send it over to you.